15Fs, mechanically stoked locomotives. This is how it works. I'm going to just give you a rundown quickly. From the tender, the coal goes into a trough, almost like a big mince machine, and gets carried along here, up this elevator shaft and into the fire. But how do we do it? So I'm going to show you with a fireman how we set the mechanical stoker. So have a look over here. There's a variety of gauges that you can see. There's from fine coal, left, front, right, back, and also the stoker motor. Over here are the controls. They are labeled. You can see left, back, left, front, fine coal, right, front, right, back. Fine coal blows under smaller little holes under the table plate, which I'll show you at some stage. This is a mechanical stoker table onto which the coal, once it's been crushed, falls on and is blown by the jets into these various channels. So it would be, say, for example, to the right back, right middle, right front, and so on and so forth. And underneath are air holes to keep this table cool, because you've got the heat of the fire underneath. And if I can lift this thing up, it's very heavy. So let's go look at the back, how it hinges on. And you can see more air holes over there, which is needed, otherwise this thing would melt. So the jets will blow the coal onto here, and then the coal will be distributed to the various points in the firebox. And it's got the lugs that took it on. It's actually quite a heavy piece of equipment. This, there you can see more the air holes proper underneath. That is the mechanical stoker table. That is on all mechanical stoked locomotives. The Barclay type stoker is a different version. It doesn't have the vanes at all. It's just a shaft. They set it via the jets. It's another thing, another type of stoker. A lot of the 25 classes had them, but not the 15F. But that is if you're really battling a bit. But let us show you how we set it. So on the side here, the fireman's got his controls. This one is the main steam that's going to open up to go into your stoker controls. And then down at the bottom there is where he will open that up to operate it. But when he comes on duty, he's going to set the stoker jet. So let's have a look how he sets them. So that gives an example of basically a mechanical stoker locomotive, because to hand fire such a big beast is going to be extremely difficult, especially through a little hole like this, the fire hole door, as you can see over here. So there you go, that's an example. Now it does make a lot of noise when you're on the road. That's why the drivers will give hand signals. We'll give you a geel for caution, and groen, that's go, and then when you see this, he will show you now, that's danger. So if we got a green fireman, how will it look? Donkey mart, and if it's on caution, one finger. But don't use the wrong fingers when doing these things, and that is a danger signal, because the noise of the mechanical stoker overpowers the thing. And this is the counterweight door to close it up, and it's got a plate here to stop it falling. Okay, we're now going to clean fire. This is a handshake 15F. It is not a steam shaker 15F. So the drop crate will go into different pegs. He's opened the and down below there are the various pegs into which he's going to insert the drop grate handle. So I'm just going to show you quickly what it does when he shakes the grates. Let's open this up again so you can have a look, see, and then you can get an idea what happens when he rocks the grates. Okay, first you've got to open the ash pan, got a peg on the floor, and then you'll take one of these pegs down the bottom there, you see, and let's see what's shaking. If you look there, you can see the fire shaking. So there is an advantage to a hand shaker, that you can control where the fire is built up mostly, or where you want to clean it. The only problem is it's very hard work, and you can see our friend there is taking strain. Alright guys, we got to do ash pan now. Hope you enjoyed this part of the video.